Hello everyone and welcome back.
مرحبا. في هذا الفيديو سنرى الكلمات التالية.
Have got no. Have got no. Have got nothing. Have got nothing. Have got nobody. Have got nobody. Has got no. Has got no. Has got nothing. Has got nothing. Has got nobody. Has got nobody.
ونستعمل هذه الكلمات لقول أنه ليس لدى أحدهم شيئا ما أو شخصا ما. لنرى أمثلة عن ذلك.
I've got no choice. I've got no choice. I've got nothing to wear to the party. I've got nothing to wear to the party. I've got no money left. I've got no money left. I've got no one to call. I've got no one to call. You've got no patience. You've got no patience. You've got nothing to hide. You've got nothing to hide. You've got nothing urgent to do. You've got nothing urgent to do. You've got nobody with you. You've got nobody with you. She's got no time to waste. She's got no time to waste. She's got no qualifications. She's got no qualifications. She's got nothing to say. She's got nothing to say. He's got no idea. He's got no idea. He's got no job at the moment. He's got no job at the moment. He's got no family. He's got no family. He's got no one to go home to. He's got no one to go home to. The bike's got no brakes. The bike's got no brakes. Uh-oh. This container's got no lid. This container's got no lid. The house has got no basement. The house has got no basement. She's got nobody to turn to. She's got nobody to turn to. We've got no siblings. We've got no siblings. We've got nothing to worry about. We've got nothing to worry about. We've got nothing exciting in this town. We've got nothing exciting in this town. We've got nobody to work with. We've got nobody to work with. They've got no alternatives. They've got no alternatives. They've got no assignments. They've got no assignments. They've got nothing interesting. They've got nothing interesting. They've got no one to support them. They've got no one to support them. Until next time, bye.
شكرا على المشاهدة، ونلتقي في فيديو آخر إن شاء الله. إلى اللقاء.